Okay, rebuilding a automatic waterer, Ritchie. First, just going to let out the water. The reason letting it out is just so that it can fill up again and test whether it's working or not. So reattach the plug. I'm just going to take this apart. Oh. So here's the old part, multiple pieces. Just going to have to take it apart, and I think the issue might be in the washer in there. Okay, so upon looking at the differences, this is the washer. It's pretty worn. It could be the reason compared to this washer. It's brand new, obviously. I think the issue is with the float. If you look at the difference, this one's very more solid and has much more, I guess, weight to it. I'm not a plumber, but I think this might be the issue, that it's not strong enough to hold itself. Plus the washer, so I just gotta. That's the old parts there. I think this screw is too short compared to this screw. Yeah. So this is the new screw compared to this one. Much smaller, so that could be the issue too. So I'm just going to rebuild it. We can still use some of these parts, I think. Like these guys and this. I don't think this is good anymore. Let's see though. Try to compare it to the other one. Looks good. Yeah, so just gotta rebuild it now. So put our washer in. You see that goes in there with one of the things when the water comes in. I don't know if you can see it, but when the water fills up to its level, it presses it closed. So I guess it needs that strand from the float. Put our pin through. Put the pin through. So when the water raises up, it closes that. On the old one, I think it wasn't keeping the water out because it's just worn down. It's probably been there for a year or two. I guess you got that part done. Put this in there. Put that there. Then the screw, just here, will stop it. Might not be the right way around, but we'll see. You put the other pin in there. So that's it there. Let's stop it. Try it the other way as well. Let's see. Let's see if it's the right way. Through this hole. Put on the screw. Yeah, the screw is much longer than the old one, so this will definitely help the level. Yeah. And this sticks on like this. The slope facing that way. Yeah, it's much better. Yeah, so that's a quick rebuild. Ritchie Automatic Waterer. Now we just have to attach it back on and test it up. So just attach everything the way it was before. Looks nice. I'm just going to tighten it. Looks nice and tight to me. As you loosen this screw, the float will rise to the level you want. Maybe a bit more than that. See how okay. Starting to slow down. It's a good sign. Need it to stop completely. If we loosen it, just gonna put out some more water. Probably want to get it up to here maybe. Nice. I'm feeling it spray. Loosen, tighten it up. Got a spray coming from there. Might need some of that plumber tape. Not major though. It's better than leaking. Loosen it. Yeah, it's working. That's pretty awesome. Yeah, so that's a rebuild of a Ritchie Automatic Waterer. Pretty simple. Just need some plumber tape. That's about it. Yeah, hope that helps.